Japuojre moro ma jahigni 14 e sikund primar ma St. Teresa Kipchimchim Enoch Kipkoech Ichich nokawo ngimane. Anyuola Enoch otelnegi kod wuon mare Dr. Richard Siele ochwalo ng'ul margi ne skundno ka giwacho ni pok giyudo wach moriere manyalo miyo nyathigino ne kawo ngimane, nimar Enoch ne ngima maber ka noyawo sikul chieng' wuok tich. OCPD ma Kericho Maimbo Abdikadir Malisha owacho ni ne giyudo lipodno to sani gisekawo ringre Enoch ka giwacho ni burano ero nitiere lwet apisa mag okwach kich bade ma Kericho. Ringre Enoch noyudi kolier e tol e baf mar sikundno.
Before Enoch sits down, the same teacher came to the class. I don't know, through the window or the door, whatever, or peeped through the window, but he said, he told Enoch, Japuojre, my son, can you go to the dormitory and have a bath? Why do the dormitory alone? Is that the time you're supposed to go to the dormitory? Victor said, no, we are supposed to go, we are going to the dormitory, all of us, at 4 and up to 4:30 to go and have a bath and come back to class. So there was remaining around 30 minutes or so before the students or the pupils are released to go and have a bath. So why tell the boy whom you have beaten to go to the dormitory?
He was a very hard-working boy because he would score 370 and above, of which I was also imagining after KCP he was even to achieve 400 marks and above.
We received a report from the headmaster, St. Teresa Primary School, a report which was made to Ramogi police station, that one of his pupil, one of his student, a class 8 student, aged 14 years old, committed suicide. Immediately after receiving the report, police officers, comprises of DCI officers, visited the school, the scene where the child committed the act of suicide, and established that the body of the child was found in the bathroom, hanging from the roof. The scene was processed by the police, and the body was removed to Siloam Hospital mortuary, awaiting postmortem.